In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch a game on Steam Desktop. To get started, find the Steam icon on your computer's desktop and double-click it to open the program. Give it a moment to load, especially if Steam hasn't been opened in a while, since it may need a few seconds to connect and refresh. If Steam asks you to sign in, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the main Steam window where you can access your games and other features. If you're already signed in, Steam may open straight to the home screen, and that's perfectly fine. Next, look toward the top left area of the Steam window and click on the Library tab. This is where all of the games connected to your account are stored, so this is the main section you'll use whenever you want to start playing something. After that, direct your attention to the list of games on the left side of the screen. You should see your available titles listed there. Scroll through the list if needed, then click on the game you want to launch. When you select a game, its main page will open in the larger section of the window. On that game page, look for the large blue play button. It's usually very easy to spot. Click that button to launch the game. Steam will begin opening it, and depending on the game, there may be a short loading period before it fully starts. If the game doesn't open instantly, don't worry. Some games take a little longer to load than others, especially on first launch or after an update. As long as you clicked play, Steam is doing the work in the background. And that's all it takes to launch a game using the Steam Desktop app.